Dear children, what you are observing on the screen? Of course, this is a flower. Then what do you mean by the flower? Of course, the flower is the part of the plant body. I will add on that. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant body. See, this flower consisting of four parts. Let us brief about the parts of the flower. See, the flower consisting of the four parts, these are also called whorls of the flower. There are sepals, see, petals, stamen and carpel. There are four parts in the flower. Of course, you are observing here, this is the petal, this is the sepal, these are the stamens, this part is the carpel, right? So here, this green part, what you are observing is the sepal. This sepal protects the bud of the flower. Later, it forms a flower. So this is the sepal. Then, children, what you are observing here now, the colored part, this is the petal. Petal is beautifully colored. Then why it is so brightly colored? Because to attract the insects and the birds for the purpose of pollination. Then what do you mean by this pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from anthers to stigma. This results in fertilization. Later, see, the third part of the flower is the stamens. See, this is the stamen. Stamen consisting of again two parts. This is called anther. This is anther. This is the filament. So, anther having the pollen grains. Pollen grains are the male sex cell, or it is also called male gametes, which helps in the process of fertilization. So, this part, what you are observing, this is the carpel. This carpel consisting of three parts, as I said now. So, this is ovary. This is style. So, this is stigma. Okay. So, here the pollen grains get deposited on the stigma and forms a pollen tube along the style. Later, the pollen grains get fuses with the ovules. It results in fertilization. Okay. So here, after the fertilization, these ovules become the seeds and the ovary become the fruit. So this is the brief introduction about parts of the flower.